Hi there, I am Armen Simonian with Golden Rules of Real Estate course. I want to say a few things about this guy, Robert Lunte, with CourseCREEK. With all honesty, I can say he's a true leader, and it's good to have leading abilities when someone's guiding you how to do a course. That's one compliment I can give him, a genuine compliment. Another compliment I can give him, he's a genuine guy. When he's mad, he's mad. When he's happy, he's happy. He is who he is, which is it's beautiful in someone's character. Another thing is he has a lot of experience, so he'll guide you in the right direction. Sometimes you think this is the right direction, but when you listen to this guy, he will direct you in the right direction. He's got lots of experience. He will help you. He's not just going to take your money and just shy away or say, oh, I got the deal done so I can stop giving all myself. No. It's the other way around. He does more and more. He gives himself. He takes the time. He's patient. He listens to you. And he really cares about you, and he wants your success. So this is what I have to say about Robert Lunte. I highly recommend him, and I hope that you would take a course with him and say, you know what? You were right, Armen. Thanks for referring Robert Lunte to me. He ended up being good. He worked for me, and I'm hoping that he will do the same for you. That's all I have to say. Take care, guys.